As the barge is an enclosed vessel, hence there is no need to wear life jackets. As per Marinas Memorandum Circular Number 08 Series of 2008, what they told me was that only motorized bangka are covered. I will not wait for the day that we will see dead bodies of women and children floating on the Davao just because of your hypocrisy, neglect, and gross misconduct.
Speech, akong pumikuan dyan. Kita man tanan dari sa Davao, gasakay mo tanang barge sa mga tutag saman. Kana man kung bation nakagkakulba pagsakay nimo, maana gyud nay mali. Ako nakita gyud dito, Ginoo ko, kaugalingon lang Committee on Public Safety. So, they have also to attend to that. Kay kanang barge, diha inyuhan ng local tourism ug mga foreigners mo na ginasakyan. So, protect your tourism industry. Protect the people.
Vice, the Bangayans are known to be close.